Can an LLC company sponsor H1B? Yes, an LLC can sponsor an H1B visa if it meets the requirements set by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services USCIS. The LLC must be a legitimate U.S. employer, have a valid employer identification number, EIN, and be able to demonstrate the ability to pay the required wage to the foreign worker. The LLC must also have an employer-employee relationship with the H-1B worker, meaning the company has the right to hire, fire, and supervise the employee. This can be more challenging for single-member LLCs, where the foreign worker is also the owner, but multi-member LLCs or LLCs with clear management structures are often able to qualify. As with all H-1B sponsorships, the LLC must file a Labor Condition Application LCA with the Department of Labor and then file Form Y-129 with USCIS during the H-1B application period. Zen Business can help you form your LLC so it's properly structured before pursuing immigration steps like H-1B sponsorship. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.